Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and these little cable clips by Lamicall are gonna be your new best friend when it comes to organizing all your cords. We use them in particular for our nightstands in our bedroom. So there are multiple devices and multiple cords on our nightstand. So these cord clips came in really handy. You just peel the back of them and they stick right onto any piece of furniture. They hold really well. What we love about them in particular is one, it adjusts to any size cord. So you can use this for thicker cords if you want to hold a lamp cord in place, or for your typical cell phone chargers. What I really like is that it keeps the cords in place even when not in use, which is easy access, so that I can simply just pull the cord up even when I'm in bed to plug in my device and use it. That way I don't have to fish around on the floor to try to find the right cord for the right device. I love that you can stick these so that they're hidden away so that you don't even see any of the cords. And I also love how all of my charging cables slide easily up and down through this. So if you want to keep all those cords hidden and tidy, these cord cable holders by Lamicall are really great for that. Super easy to use, and that's my point of view.